Nyuma ya mateta MAABICA ma ugima makimeneria thirikari ya Gavana Kawira Mwangaza nontoko mayukiria insurance injeru ya ugima iria makuga itikumatethia nontu wa kuthimirwo kwa mbia na nkinyagia matigwata utungata wa kimwiri uria makwenda riu rwangirwa gutitira mandagitari niru Kmpdu niru ariritie untu uyu na baria maugite itagaririria thirikari ya Gavana ni mama yokitie te itagaria riregananiria gucokia Kenya nyuma na nkuru matarirĩtie itagarĩre batĩrĩ kwithirwa rĩrĩ Boniface Mwongera hataririe nkuruki
ariti nguge ndene thirikari ne kaunti Meru babange kagite ne kaibethirito bakamatite kithikiro na bange maroro mututuru kumana mubango insurance ogima iria bekeri babange bakeranire metheto ntoto ntukwena arua na baromba marito joja kethro ja kiugwa kana nyamothe kwithro ja kionekana ibarara mekirite bunene mono nontu mubango insurance iretumika kagite ne kwathani bwakereito kwithirite janerua nenge njero kwithro iretwa barionaneria kireje njero abakwithro bekinyiro gutakire cibitari mwere kwithro imenyekana ja life care na kinyabetaku bakeromba joshite batire kwithro ciekorokia marija shiringi 1,500 na ja korokia bakethro begaramikira kumakiri mibuko yao nkoroki barua kire kaveje ete kwithro igita motungata jambajo chemetho ni nyambajo cha maigo either naku tokwenda kumenya uma kumakiri thirikari kaunti Meru na twaraniria na sisi ogima bwana George Gekunda na territory tingo kwithro bakiuga ni orongo not insurance coverage nchua.
Those are let me tell you Boni. Yeah, those are rice. I know there's nothing that has changed. Insurance cover no ule atura. Yes. And it is the same company which is covering.
Kulingana kanyoni mtwetu etura thirikari kaunti Meru necha inanire na kambuni emua ugwite insurance motungata jogima wakagita kameri kenda ontu bra ukochoka ukerikana kairi mwana abo ibashokire bashinane na kambuni emine tibaraka gite negaka bagwita motungata jaja na nontu bontu bonande mine tibaruga bo bashinanire na mua contract ya mwaka jomwe.
What is happening in Meru County is the same thing that's happening in Kmpdu County, where the new governors in office have decided to go for a less inferior cover compared to the one that was there, compared to the National Hospital Insurance Fund, the one being offered by NHIF. And it's quite deliberate because I believe most of these governors are just getting kickbacks from these particular private insurances, companies. And we even took Kmpdu County to court and got an injunction over that particular process because insurance cover is like an employee's benefit.
Bunge kaunti Meru nyo nenderete kwithro ikiorotero ntubo kwithro ikiriro ntubo kirinde kenderete kwithro kinyamara aranga roko wenge ikundi kerigitani kira ketho itongeretu Moses Baine baichi achorete na kuga bubethito bandikirite Gavana Kawira Mwangaza baroga mututuro
tonde tukoda twandikite baro nyingi muno ndene kiki administration na tutamba kuona solution ya the problem. Actually, insurance cover is a white elephant.
I think it is very important that the technical advisors for these governors and for the counties must understand that insurance for any employee cannot be reduced from less than what they've been getting. And actually, SRC also made a recommendation for every job group what ought to be there. But most of the governors and most of the counties will run to these private insurances for the kickback while they are leaving NHIF, which will give a better cover to these particular employees in the counties.
Nke reporter Antosharu TV kumaja kingina ngine kineke mshumoja Nairobi mbita Boniface Mwongera.